For instance, in a situation where people are in a role working in a job where they have a good team, and sometimes not everything is, aligned in a way, not everyone's thinking in the same way. Given that you're in a situation where the team looks like everyone is aligned, and you have that confidence to go up and, present your work, pitch your ideas, if someone really wants to do that, first of all, how should they kind of, approach that situation to pitch their idea to their managers? And the second follow-up question is, if it doesn't work out, how do you work around things?
That's really insightful questions right there. Okay, so I would say I think the first thing to do when you have a role, I think the first thing to do is master that role. So, go through your position description, why you were hired, all the projects that you're involved in. I think the number one thing to do is excel at those things. Because that's why you were hired, right? That's number one. Number two, you are acing everything, you're getting results, you are doing what you were hired for. That's great. But then what are your ideas? Surely you have some innovative ideas. It might be a small one, it might be a big one, but you might have ideas that you want to share with your manager. And having that open two-way conversation with your manager is so important, because that's where growth is. And if you have an amazing manager, there's nothing more better than that. So the second thing is definitely having the courage to go up to them and talking to them about your ideas and pitching your ideas to them. Third is basically, if not, if it's not being supported, what do you do then? Well, I would just say, another way to look at it is to build a case around the new ideas that you may have, how it supports the business, what it would do in terms of results. I think there's a lot of things that you can do to build your case if someone's not able to see your point of view. And at the end of the day, I think it's a good conversation to have, whether it goes forward or not, because it shows initiative, and it shows that you're happy to take ownership and accountability for a new project. And I think that says a lot about you. So go for it. I would definitely, yeah, that would be my advice.